Excellence isn't just a claim, it's a legacy, crafted layer by layer. For over 40 years, Siplast has set the gold standard, trusted by those who build with vision and demand nothing less than perfection. Introducing TeraPro PUR, the pinnacle of polyurethane and polyurea deck coating technology. Engineered for precision, designed for endurance, and finished with the artistry of true craftsmanship. Every layer is a seamless elastomeric barrier, protecting against time, traffic, and the elements. It delivers strength that feels effortless, elegance that performs, and luxury you can stand on. From high-end terraces to world-class parking structures, we design for your specific vision, with customizable textures and rich color finishes. Precision, performance, prestige. Siplast, with you every step of the way.